14 April commemorate the memory of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a great Indian politician and social reformer. On 14 April 1891, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born. It is also referred as Equality Day in India and in Canada, United States. It is also referred as Bhima Jayanti by his followers. Ambedkar Jayanti processions are carried out by his followers at Chaitya Bhumi in Mumbai and Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur. President, Prime Minister, and leaders of all major political parties gather at the statue of Ambedkar at the Parliament of India to pay homage. It is celebrated throughout the world, especially by Dalits, Adivasi, and labor workers. In India, more than 25 states and union territories of India, Ambedkar Jayanti is a public holiday. Babasaheb Ambedkar's first birthday was publicly celebrated on 14th April 1928 in Pune by Sri Janardhan Sadashiv Rana Pise, who was an Ambedkarite and social activist. Ambedkar passed his matriculation in 1907. Then he pursued BA Honours in Economics and Political Science from Elphinstone College. He enrolled in Columbia University, New York for the Masters of Art and got his PhD in Economics in 1927. Addition to this, in 1916 he took the admission for the bar course at Grace and along with the he also did another doctoral thesis in economics from the London School of Economics. Dr. Ambedkar was master in 64 subjects and proficient in 11 languages. Indian Post issued stamps dedicated to Ambedkar's birthday in 1966, 1973, 1991, 2001 and 2013 and featured Union other stamps in 2009, 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2020. On 14th April 1990, Ambedkar was bestowed with Bharat Ratna Award. Period of 14th April 1990 to 14th April 1991 was observed as Year of Social Justice. On his 125th birth anniversary in 2015, Government of India issued 10 rupees and 125 rupees coin. On 14th April 2015, Google Doodles was published for Ambedkar's 124th birthday. Doodle was featured in India, Argentina, Ireland, Peru, Poland, Sweden, and United Kingdom. United Nations also celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti. From 2017 onwards, Government of Maharashtra celebrate 14th April as Knowledge Day, Jnana Din.